Welcome to Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. As the new restyled and re-engineered 2022 Winnebago Travatos are now shipping to our dealership and to our retail guests, be sure to check out all of our great content in terms of specifications, hundreds of photos, live video walkarounds, all of our blog detail that show all of the different specifications and go into deep dives of certain components of not only the new 2022 Winnebago Travatos, the Solases, and also the debut of the all-new, all-season Winnebago Echo.
The new 2022 Travato 59K and 59G are now featured on our website with over 200 photos plus videos of each. Some of the changes in the 2022 Travato include: starting in the back of the Travato, you'll find the rear annex and a new easy-to-use manifold water system. Upon entering the side door of the Travato, you'll find an ABS pedestal that includes a pop-up power outlet and a ram mount assist and mount for the Lagoon table. The easy-to-move and use Lagoon table has 2 mounting locations in each floor plan. For your comfort, you'll find the Echo hot water system that flushes all the cold water from your hot water lines and routes it back into the freshwater tank to save water. If you haven't seen a Travato for a while, it's time to look again. With a renewed focus on user-friendly systems and conveniences, the 2022 Travato is a must-see. Call a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to find out more about the 2022 Winnebago Travato.
The all-weather Winnebago Solas 59PX is now available here at Lichtsinn RV with or without the pop top. The Solas 59PX includes a Coleman Mach 10 NDQ non-ducted quiet air conditioning system powered by Shoreline Power, or with the ultra-low quiet, fuel-efficient Cummins Onan 2800i watt micro-quiet generator. Built on the fuel-efficient Ram ProMaster chassis, the Solas features all-season insulation and plumbing, a Murphy bed, and a space-extending rear annex. With its heavy-duty vinyl flooring, recirculating hot water system, below-floor storage, 2 exterior wash stations, and an easy-to-use cassette toilet, the Solas is ready for whatever adventure may take you. Call a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to find out more about the Winnebago Solas 59PX, available now with or without the pop top.
Winnebago has led the RV industry for many years. One of the key factors to this is the Winnebago quality difference. One of the key factors in the Winnebago difference is that 70% of Winnebago RV components are made in-house. So you can be assured that parts you need for your RV will be available for years to come. Winnebago manufactures components like holding tanks, compartments, and heat ducts. This allows Winnebago to engineer exactly what they need with the ease of making the part fit where they want it to, and allows for them to distribute weight more evenly throughout your coach, allowing it to handle better. Find out more about the Winnebago quality difference from your Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today.
At Lichtsinn RV, we want your motorized RV trade-in. Whether you are in the market for a different RV or just ready to pause on the RV lifestyle, let our team at Lichtsinn RV buy your motorhome. It's quick and easy. You just need to provide us a few details and we'll handle the rest. Selling your RV to Lichtsinn RV allows you to avoid the hassle of listing your RV and waiting for a potential buyer. Get more for your RV as demand is at an all-time high and we need your used motorhome. Let our experts handle the work from cleaning the RV to processing the title work. Call a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to find out more about selling your RV directly to Lichtsinn RV.
And that wraps up the month of May. We look forward to seeing many of you here at the Grand National Rally in Forest City, Iowa during the month of July.